In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a hover effect to a menu in Framer, a renowned design tool that adds an extra touch of interactivity to your design projects. This process will involve selecting the specific element you wish to animate, opening up the effects panel, adding a hover effect, customizing this effect to your liking, and finally checking out a preview of your creation. Let's start with selecting the element that you want to be the subject of this hover effect. All you need to do is find this particular element in your project, and then give it a simple click. This will allow you to manipulate and animate this selected element during the subsequent steps. Moving on to the next part, you'll need to open up the Effects panel. In order to find this section, cast your eyes to the Properties panel that should be visible on the right side of your screen. Wander down this panel until you notice a section named Effects. This is the area where the magic happens. Having opened the Effects panel, it's time to add a hover effect. In order to do this, look for an option labeled Hover. This is the button you'll need to click in order to add a new interaction to your selected element. Clicking it is a key step to activating the hover effect animation on your element. Now that the hover effect has been activated, it's time to bring your creative juices to the front and customize your effect. Various properties are available for you to manipulate, including but definitely not limited to the scale, rotation, and opacity of your chosen element. Adjust these settings to create a hover effect that matches your design goals and breathes life into your digital creation. Finally, let's take a peek at what you've been working on. The hover effect you've just set up should be readily visible when you initiate preview mode. To see this effect in action, you'll have to hover over the element you've been working on. The changes you've made will come alive, providing you a first-hand view of the interactivity you've successfully added to your Framer project. And there we have it. You have successfully added a hover effect menu in Framer. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to tweak and explore with this feature again and again until you're entirely comfortable with it. Keep designing, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun while doing so. Thanks for joining, and catch you in the next tutorial.